Friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th and subject looking around environmental studies in that chapter number 16, a busy month. In the previous video part 1, we have seen up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. They see the question number 1. Why do birds build nest? Answer is birds build nest to lay eggs and bring up their chicks. See the question number 2. What do birds feed their young ones? Answer is birds feed various type of insects, pieces of roti and different types of grains to their young ones. See the next page. See the question number 3. What is the nest made of? Answer is the nest is made of dry bits of hay, twigs and bits of wire. See the question number 4. What things does the crow bring to the nest? Answer is the crow brings small insects and worms to feed its chick. It also brings pieces of roti and grains. See the question number 5. After how many days did the chicks leave the nest? Answer is the chicks leave the nest and fly away after about 1 month. See the question number 6. From what does the Indian robin build its nest? Answer is the Indian robin builds its nest with grass, soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, and cotton wool. See the question number 7. How does a tailor bird build its nest? Answer is a tailor bird stitches two leaves together to make its nest in the middle of the branches of a tree. See the question number 8. Who are the enemies of birds' eggs and nest? Answer is crows, squirrels, cats, rats, and mice, etc. are enemies of birds' eggs and a nest. See the question number 9. What does incubating eggs means? Answer is birds sit on the eggs they lay and give them warmth. It makes chicks grow and develop inside. This is known as incubating eggs. Question number 10. Where do birds stay once they have left their nest? Where do birds stay once they have left their nest? Answer is once birds have left their nest, they stay in various places like on trees, in water, near water bodies, or on a land. See the question number 11. How many teeth does a human being have? Answer is a human being has 32 teeth. However, there are many people who do not have the complete set of 32 teeth. See the question number 12. What does a snake do with its teeth? Answer is a snake stings or bites with its sharp crooked teeth. It also holds its prey with its teeth. It does not eat or chew its food with its teeth. See the question number 13. What does the term milk teeth mean? Answer is the first teeth that an infant grows are known as a milk teeth. See the question, page number, next page. Main 7. Answer the following question. See the question number 1. You do not have any teeth in your mouth. What kind of things would you be able to eat? Answer is if there are no teeth in my mouth, I will be able to take in only liquid or semi-solid food which was easily chewed. Example, without teeth. Example, pulses, rice, sira, rabdi, juice and fruits like sweet limes, oranges, chikus, papayas, etc. See the question number 2. Old people who do not have teeth What kind of food they cannot eat? Answer is old people who do not have teeth, they cannot eat things like groundnuts, grams, bajra, narotlo, bhakri, crisped fried things like farsi puris, raw vegetables and ripe fruits, nuts, salads, papads, etc. In short, they cannot eat anything that is even a little hard. See the question number 3. Write 2-3 sentences about the cuckoo bird. Answer is the cuckoo bird sings very sweetly. It does not build a nest for itself. A cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. The crows incubate cuckoo eggs along with their own. A cuckoo bird is black in a color. See the question number 4. What is the special feature of a weaver bird's nest? What is the special feature of a weaver bird's nest? Answer is the male weaver bird makes very beautiful nest. It weaves small bits of grass and makes a hanging nest on the trees. Its nest is shaped like a snake charmer's musical instrument pongi. The female weaver bird checks out all the nest, chooses the one she likes best and lays eggs in it. See the question number 5. What difficulties are there in the lives of birds? In the lives of birds. Answer is saving themselves from predators, searching for food, building nest, laying and incubating eggs and looking after the chicks. These are the difficulties in the lives of bird. Now see the question number 6. What are the differences in the feet of birds? Answer is there are differences based on the use they make of their feet. Some birds' feet are separate like fingers, while others' feet have web-like skin joining these fingers. Some birds have short feet while others have long feet. Some predator birds have long, sharp talons on their feet. See the question number 7. For what do birds use their feet? Answer is uses of birds' feet. 1. To swim in water, example ducks. Number 2. To walk on land, example pigeons. Number 3. To walk in marshy areas, example egrets. Number 4. Strong talons are used to catch prey and hold it when the bird flies, example eagles and hawks. Number 5. To catch and hold of prey or food, example kites, hawks. And number 6. To perch on trees, for example crows and peacocks. Now see the question number 8. What are the differences in bird's beak? Answer is every bird does not have the same type of beak. There are differences based on the use they make of their beaks. Some birds' beaks are short, while others have long beaks. Some birds' beaks are flat, while some others have crooked beaks. See the question number 9. For what do birds use their beaks? Answer is use of bird's beak. Number 1. To hold food and eat it. Number 2. To bring food to feed their young ones. Number 3. To break upon things, example parrots. Number 4. To catch hold of prey and kill it with force, example kites, vulture. Number 6. To search for food in water and marsh, example egrets. Number 6. To tear food, example kites, vulture. Number 7. To hold grass, threads, twigs, etc. and bring them to build a nest, example sparrows. Number 8. To stitch leaves together to build a nest, example tailor birds. Number 9. To dig the ground and tree trunks in search of food, example woodpeckers. And number 10. To suck nectar from flowers, example hummingbirds. Now see the next page. See the HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Whose eggs does a crow incubate in its nest? A. A pigeon, B. A sparrow, A. Cuckoos, and D. A kites. Answer is option C. A cuckoos. Number 2. Which bird built its nest in old and abandoned houses? Option A, parrot. B, cockatoo. C, vulture. And D, pigeon. Answer is option D, pigeon. Number 3. Which animal has sharp crooked teeth? A cow. B, a snake. C, a cat. And D, a squirrel. Answer is option B, a snake. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.